Good morning, children. Welcome to Klein Memorial School of UBS. Today, we are going to learn the topic articles. Let us begin. Let us see what are articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. We will see in detail in the coming slides. Children, do you remember that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels and rest of these letters are called consonants. We use A before a common noun that begins with a consonant sound. Examples are a cat, a ball, a dog, etc. We use an before a common noun that begins with a vowel sound. Examples are an apple, an orange, an ice cream, etc. We use a and an when we talk about a singular noun. We use the before a specific word or a proper noun. Examples are the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, etc. Let us see some examples of articles. A cat, a book, an orange, an apple, the sun, the moon. Let us see why we are using articles a, an, and the here. We use a before the words cat and book because these begin with the consonants C and B. We use an before the words orange and apple because these begin with the vowels O and A. We use the before the words sun and moon because both these words are proper nouns. Let us see some more examples of articles the earth, the Bible, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the India Gate. Let us see the use of article the here. Earth, Bible, Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Ganga, India Gate, all these words are specific words. That's why we are using article the here. Children, did you notice that teacher said the earth? Teacher didn't say the earth because if the comes before a vowel sound, we will pronounce the earth, not the earth. We will do some exercise. Write a or an. Dash ball. What we will write here? A or an? We will write a here, that means a ball because ball, the first letter is B, it's a consonant. Second one, dash umbrella. So umbrella starts with a vowel sound U, so we will write an here. Now the third one is dash train. Train starts with T letter. T is a consonant sound. So we will write a train. Fourth one is dash elephant. Elephant starts with vowel sound E. So we will write an elephant. Next one is pencil. Pencil starts with consonant sound P. So we will write a pencil. And the last one, ice cream. Ice cream starts with a vowel sound I. So we will write an ice cream. A ball, an umbrella, a train, an elephant, a pencil, and ice cream. We will do one more exercise. Use a, an, or the to complete the below sentences. Dash sun rises in dash east. The sun rises in the east. Second one, Ramya has dash doll. Ramya has a doll. Third one, Ellie is the name of dash elephant. Ellie is the name of an elephant. Fourth one, there are so many stars in dash sky. There are so many stars in the sky. Fifth one, Raju has dash ink pot. Raju has an ink pot. Sixth one, dash monkey sits on the roof. A monkey sits on the roof. Let us see what we have learned today. The words a, an, and the are called articles. We use a before a common noun that begins with a consonant sound. Examples are a cat, a dog, a ball, etc. We use an before a common noun that begins with a vowel sound. Examples are an apple, an orange, an ice cream, etc. We use the before a specific word or a proper noun. Examples are the sun, the moon, the India Gate, the Taj Mahal, etc. So children, thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet again.